Look who's here. Oh my God, my bash. Grabe. Hindi niya talaga kinaya yung inggit niya sa akin. And we're here at this
El Corso.
El Corso. So more powers to more ambitious to go. Hi Batch, welcome to the
Queen City of the
Queen
South.
City of the South, Cebu City. Look at that guys, we're here in El Corso. Oh my gosh. Sobra. Grabe ka Batch.
Ay, first time mo pala dito?
First time mo dito?
No, it's not.
No, your first time here.
I'm a Cebu like before.
So hindi niya kinaya yung inggit niya sa akin. So
Siyempre mayaman.
pumunta siya dito. Grabe ka Batch. So how's your koan?
I'm real, as in real na real.
How's your Ocean Jet experience
So
Batch?
cozy and perfect na perfect mo talaga yung Ocean Jet. Oh my God. Very comfortable kung sasakay. Siyempre.
So ngayon po guys, nandito po kami sa El Coso and kakain po nga
Just
kami
Lantau.
ngayon
We're here at
sa
Lantau.
Lantau. And dito na rin si Batch ang manglilibre sa amin ngayong gabi.
Hi everyone.
Thank you so
Welcome
much
to
Batch
Cebu
for
City.
coming. Kasi tinatawagan ko siya kahapon kasi wala na ako kung pera na ubusan na. So ang bait talaga ng batch ko, to the rescue siya sa akin ngayon. Yeah, so my God, I'm so excited sa collaboration namin mga ambitious ang batches. Di ba batch? So marami pong magaganap namin dito sa Cebu and yeah, I love it. Look at our place for today's video. So, parang lang siya,
iPhone 16, no?
parang iPhone, parang Shaga vibes lang
Samsung
po
rin.
dito.
Pero
Like,
mahal ba
sobra.
Barato na.
Kaya na sila guys, mag-order na po sila ng aming pagkain ngayon. So ako chill lang talaga ako dito kasi for the clout lang naman tayo ngayon.
Di mo ka mukha o kung ano?
What? Hi Batch! So you're gonna pay this dinner.
Hala.
So it's okay for you?
Tinulang halaan. Saan ang halaan?
Right.
Saan ang halaan?
So I'm so happy guys kasi nandito yung batch ko and alam niyo na pag nandito siya so he gonna pay everything that we ordered tonight. Hi dear.
Release batch kang ka nakasundo.
And
May the inspiration.
where? Oh my God, no! Like, yeah.
Dalawang aurahan o.
Thank you so much, Bot, sa food. Yeah, grabe ka lami. Here. Thank you so much, Batch. Wow,
Linabi ko tayo usa ka order no.
lufanga naman.
Muding
Hi, dear.
nag-react siya ay. Ikaw ba? Nag-react kasi sigong asa.
So guys, tapos na po kaming kumain and we're so full kasi ang sasarap ng pagkain nila dito sa Lantau. Hi Bats, how are you? Parang
Hello,
napapagod
I'm
ka ng kumakain.
I'm so busog. Actually,
Yeah. But what can you say about our food?
the food is very good and of course the taste so much. You must try and visit Lantau.
So in our orders, which is your best?
Ang best seller is pancit actually.
Yeah,
Pancit
this
is very
one. Oh yeah, I love it also. And how about the sisig?
Yeah, the sisig is neutral.
Okay, yeah, me too. How about the chicken?
Yes, the chicken is
buttered.
the chicken buttered will be. I will rate like 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Actually, for me, it's 10 over 10 kasi I like the crispiness.
But the tinulang manok is very good.
Yes, of course, the
Sometimes-
tinola manok is very giving. Like, really. So, ang hindi po namin masyadong naubos ngayon is ang 1 platter of rice. Kasi hindi na po kami masyadong kumakain niya ng rice and we are most of the
Diabetic.
koan is this one. Simbako. So, grabe naman po. So, ito lang po yung kinakain namin masyado.
Di mag-i-issue.
Simbako naman po.
Slim. Oo, kay Islim.
Kay Naadjo. Wow. Okay po guys, that's it for tonight's affair. So, punta na kayo dito sa El Corso.
El Corso.
Oh, El Corso, I mean. And then, Dito po nyo matatagpuan itong lantau. Yeah, super yummy and most recommended. So see you on the next one. Love you.